Hi guys! How is the weather looking where you are? Here it's kind of getting into summer, but very slowly. So we're still in spring mode, but the spring is not very warm and not even very sunny. Like now it's pouring rain, but I want to cheer myself up with something. And because there are so many fruits available already, I thought to make something very bright to cheer me up. And so today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple but delicious fruit salad, which you can serve as a dessert, or you can take it to barbecues, or I don't know, do you really need a reason? It's just simply delicious. I have a half of a honey melon here, so the other half I will cut, well, the other part, so it's a half. I'm gonna cut a bit later. And I'm gonna start by cutting this first. So I want to cut it and remove the skin. It helps if you have a really sharp knife. And be careful. And then you just want to cut it. I'm going to cut the ends first, and then I'm gonna cut it into two so that the slices are a little smaller, and then just cut it or slice it. Then I have some peaches here because they have started appearing in the shops and they taste really juicy. So I'm just gonna cut it first to remove the okay. I need a spoon. So we want to remove the stone. Usually this would not happen this way. Actually, I'm gonna do it like this. I'm gonna cut it and then try to remove it this way. So the peaches turned out to be quite a mess, but we still got some nice juicy peach into the salad, so no matter how it looks, it's gonna taste good. So you want to cut the peaches as well. Then we are also going to add one banana. And then some fresh strawberries. Just remove the greens. And then just keep the strawberries. Depending on the size of the strawberries, I want the pieces to be this size, so I'm gonna cut them. So what you don't want to do is to cut the fruit too small. So make the pieces too small, because the smaller you make, the more they will release juice, and they will become really mushy. So you want to cut them into the size you like, but not too small. Then we also want to add some green, because we have a lot of color in the salad, but we don't have anything green. So we are going to add some fresh mint. Depending on how much you like the mint, you can add more or less. I'm gonna add 4 stalks. So now I'm going to cut them, just going to tear the leaves a little bit. So we have some beautiful colors already here. The only thing we are missing is a little bit of something liquid that will be like a sauce kind of thing for the salad. And for that we are going to use some fresh lime. What I also want to do, I'm gonna use the skin of the lime as well, so I don't want to waste that. If you also want to use it, then make sure you are using organic lime. So I'm gonna just grate a little bit of the skin. So we use the skin of the lime, and now we are going to use the juice. If you want, you can leave this out or you can add it depending on how you like. So do you want it a little bit sweeter or do you want to keep it sour? I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of raw cane sugar to the lime juice and just stir it in. And then I'm gonna pour the juices with the sugar over my salad, so over my fruit. Then you just want to mix everything. And believe me, it smells so delicious. I can smell the fruit, the strawberries, the lime, the mint, and it smells so fresh and so delicious. So that's the salad ready. Now we just need to find some nice serving bowls for the salad. And I would suggest to serve in something transparent. So I have some glasses. Here's some serving glasses that I use for desserts, and I'm gonna portion the salad into them. Also, if you use a smaller spoon, it's easier to portion. And when you portion the salad into the serving bowls, make sure you get some of each fruit. So that was it. Really simple and pretty fast fast to make, and we have these beautiful fruit salads. Doesn't it look beautiful in this kind of glass serving bowl? I think it really should be served like this because that's how it looks the best, and it smells really nice. So if you would want to add something naughty to this, you could add an ice cream, 1 bowl of ice cream on top, or you could add some vanilla sauce. But it's really delicious already like this. It's refreshing and very summery. One more thing that I would want to mention is that you want to use really fresh fruits and ripe fruits. So if you're using fruits that are not in season, that are not ripe, it's just gonna be a really sour salad. So just use the fruits that are in season. I have a combination here that I will share in my recipe, but you could also swap any fruits for some other fruits. So you can make this salad with any fruit really. Just think about the flavors and if they sort of work together. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you will like this recipe for a really summery fruit salad. If you do like it, show me that thumbs up for support and subscribe for some upcoming delicious summery recipes. Because the summer is coming and I'm tempted to make more and more summer recipes with all the summer produce. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.